In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can ship your products from China for your Amazon FBA private label products. If you're new to the shipping process or having a tough time with shipping or just want an easy way to find some prices, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. We're going to get all of your shipping needs sorted within minutes. I don't actually have a watch. Oh, and you don't have to go around contacting anyone for this. This is the exact same method that I've used in the past and I'm currently using to this day. It's laptop time! Okay, so getting your shipping sorted or getting just further information like prices should be really quick and simple. I'm going to show you this quick tutorial. When you do it, it should take no longer than 5 to 10 minutes and you'll have your prices. You'll even be able to book within that time. So let's have a quick run through on this. So this is the Freightos website. You can use the link in the description to get to this website. All you need to do is enter your email address and sign up quickly. So I'm going to log into my account. So once you're logged in, you come to this page, which is a new search page. And on the left, you can see you can click new search, your quotes that you have. These are quotes that you would have saved. The shipments that you've already booked that are either in transit or ready to pick up, company settings and help center. One thing I will say about Freightos or however you want to pronounce it, is that they have excellent customer service. So if you see here, you can do a live chat, which will bring you to here as well. You just click and open that box and you can start a new conversation there. And they are super helpful. If you don't find that helpful, then you could either use the US number over here, you could use the UK number over here to get any information that you want, even before you book. So once you're on this page, you can book a shipping that's non-Amazon FBA, but for this example, we're going to be looking at the Amazon FBA. So on the right, you will have this button here that says click to ship to Amazon FBA. Now, once you've got to this page, I usually use the calculate by total shipment. So I'll click here and all you need to do is just fill in this information. So let's say we have 50 cartons or boxes. The volume is 20 cubic meters. Let's say the total weight is 400 kilos. And click next and you fill out this information here. So who is labeling your boxes? So Freightos already understand that specific labels need to go onto these boxes for Amazon FBA. And you just need to let them know who's actually doing it, whether it's the freight forwarder or yourself. Within the case and the business model that I use, I get the supplier to do it, which is this box over here. The next bit is who is placing your boxes on a pallet. You could ask your supplier whether they're actually putting them on a pallet. Most of the time with small orders, if you're new and you're a beginner, you wouldn't be putting them on pallets. So you put not applicable. Click next. All you need to do is put in the information of where the product is actually coming from. So you use this drop down here. I usually use a port, which is FOB shipment terms, and you just enter where it's coming from. I usually use Ningbo, and let's say the pickup day is at the end of April, for example. Then we put in the information on which Amazon FBA warehouse it's going to. So it's the UK or the United States, and you basically just select the correct one for yourself. Let's pick this Phoenix one and click next. So then, do you need customs brokerage, which means do you need somebody to organize your customs payments, etc. at the port when it arrives in US? So yes, I need it for one. Do you have a customs bond? If you don't, Freightos are able to support and help you book that. But in this case, let's just click yes. And then there's some additional services that you might want to do. The one that I always use is insurance, which is the value of the product. And let's say the value of the product is £3,000, for instance. Then all you do is click search and book. So what Freightos is doing is just searching a number of different providers and will provide a list of prices, which they have here. So you can arrange this by best value, cheapest, quickest, or greenest. I usually go by cheapest. I kind of look at the ratings here, look at the price and see which one that I want to go for. So within these bookings, what you can see is information on who the freight forwarder is. You can see where it's going, where it's coming from, where it's going through and where it's going to, how long it will take, and that's port to port or end to end transit time, and valid until is the date that this quote is valid for. So what you can do is you can click save, and that will go straight into your quotes over here on the left. So if you wanted to book this one, or you just wanted to see the price breakdown first, all you need to do is hit this button here, and you can see all the information on how they break down this cost and any other information that you might need to know. So the next part of this is to either book it or you save it. So let's show you what happens when you save it. So the quote has been saved. So if I go into my quotes here, I should have a number of different things saved from the past, which I have. And then you just click into your latest one, which is this one, and you have all the information there. And then as soon as you're ready to book it, hit the book button. All you need to do is fill out your information about the product, Amazon reference ID and shipment ID, which you will get when you create a shipping plan on the Amazon seller platform. All you do is fill out the information, click next. It'll go to this section here, which is review and place order. They may ask for other pieces of information or files which your supplier will be able to provide, and then you just execute the shipment. Once that's done, your shipments will come up over here. I'm just going to move this to the right for now, as it will reveal some of my products. So as you can see, I've used this before a number of different times. I've even cancelled shipments. I've had 2 delivered, and I have 1 that's arrived at the port. So you can see here there's information on what's coming up, the origin and destination, etc. And click into these bookings and check what's going on, where it is, how much you've paid, what the breakdown is, what files are on there. You can change those files, etc. So this is a super quick and easy and simple way to book your shipping. Now there's a few points that I wanted to mention. If your shipping is booked and you wanted to cancel it, which I have done before, as you can see over here, Freightos are happy to cancel it for you, so long as you give advance notice, and I would recommend at least 7 days to 2 weeks. You're able to change some of the details on there as well. I would definitely call up Freightos if you're ever in that situation, as soon as you know that you might need to make any changes or something has happened. But they are very good with the customer service. They are very good at making changes and supporting you and helping you through your shipment. There will be some times where you have some issues come up. You'll be CC'd into them, so you know exactly what's going on. But those are really small issues that tend to come up. So I would highly recommend it. As you can see, I use this platform all the time. If you just wanted to use it just to get prices or get an idea of prices, then you're more than welcome to come in and just use it for that. A lot of people will tell you that this is an expensive platform, which it can be sometimes. However, just the ease of the platform, the way it works and how intuitive it is and how good the customer service is, I'm more than happy to pay that little bit extra to get that comfort, knowing that on my first shipment at least, everything should be taken care of. Now you should be able to find live prices for your shipping, book easily, and not have to worry about trying to find somebody to help you with your shipping. If you liked this video and it was useful to you, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment so I know to make more videos like this one. Or you're just looking for simple prices to get easy, I'm going to be showing you